Hello friends, welcome to my channel Prachi Style. Today we'll be reviewing a fragrance called as Red Eclipse from Zara. So this is a 100 ml bottle in the EDP concentration, which we have purchased from a store in Ahmedabad for 2350 rupees. It's 100 ml, so I think 2350 is okay. And also it's the EDP version, the more concentration of perfume oil, so I think it's worth the price. Also the fragrance is really good, so at 2350 it's a bit pricey, I'll say, but still for the price the fragrance is really good. It's deep, dark, beautiful, a bit herby, citrusy. It's not like usual fragrances which we love for men. It has a deep leather note to it, something like oud little bit, but in the darker version. So it has a dark citrusy at the same time a vibe to it. So the notes which they have mentioned are fresh notes of bergamot blend with clary sage and touch of leather, creating an enigmatic and bold aroma. So it has the beautiful vibe which mostly men would like, definitely, because we've also purchased this from the men's section. But I personally love this fragrance and I wanted to share it with you, so I thought I should create a video for this. And it's a beautiful fragrance. They also have one more variant, I think, Blue Zenith, but we like this one better because of the herby sage note along with bergamot and leather notes. So they have the beautiful versions of this fragrance. So when you smell it or spray it for the first time, you feel it's a bit dark, and then the notes start to unfold. The beautiful note of sage followed by the citrus notes of bergamot, and leather notes are also very good. So I think personally it's a unisex fragrance, but most of you might think that it's a bit strong for your taste. But for girls like me who like a bit stronger fragrances and a bit deep dark fragrances, might like this one as well. So if you like such fragrances which have leathery vibe or sage and a little bit of bergamot, so you can just try this one. But it's not for easy breezy wear, summer wear. It's definitely not easy breezy summer wear. It's definitely for cold winter days. At least I am going to use it for winter days because it's a bit darker to use for summer, but it does make you feel refreshed. But it is definitely for the colder days, and when it's just dark outside, something like that. So it gives you that vibe because of the deep dark notes. But those of you like such fragrances should definitely give this one a try. Do let me know in the comment section below if you like this one. Also, if you like my videos, please do consider to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also, if you're watching this video from your YouTube mobile app, please do consider to hype this video. And until the next video, take care everyone.